दीजिए टोक्यो से राहुल रावत।
And Rahul Rawat from India Today is with us, joining us live from Tokyo. Rahul had that conversation with Mirabai Chanu. Rahul, what was the mood for Mirabai and her team? I'm sure they were all smiles. You know, you were the only reporter there who's managed to catch hold of her, had that conversation with her. And what a journey it's been for her from the Rio Olympics to now.
Absolutely, Akshita. She is just like any other young girl. She also has the very same aspirations that any 22, 24, 25-year-old girl would have. She also wants to go out for movies. She also wants to, have pizza. And she, by the way, loves pizza. She does like pizza. She likes singing. She likes dancing, which she did after that medal also. I have the visuals also, but because of the broadcast, just in case there is no broadcast violation for the broadcasters, we can't put those visuals out. She was dancing. She was dancing on Punjabi songs. In fact, she was herself singing. So that is what she is. But then it's a dedication, it's a devotion of 4 to 5 years that that she's now finally managed to win this medal. 2016, a disappointment. She came back crying to India. She did not go back to her place. She in fact spent around 6 days to somebody's, a person who actually mentors her, guides her a lot, speaks to her pretty frequently. His wife took her out on shopping because it was very difficult to console her. But the good thing is that she did not give up. That's the hallmark of a champion athlete. In 2018-17, she won a world championship. She did not, she did not settle for that. She, in 2019, she broke a world record, clean and jerk. She became the best athlete, the best weightlifter, and today she has won a silver medal. What more? In fact, I was speaking to her after that also. She said, "Abhi aur karna hai." I said, "What more do you want to achieve? You have a world championship gold medal. You've won Commonwealth Games, you've won Asian Games. Now you've got an Olympic medal. Perhaps your cabinet, your trophy cabinet looks pretty sorted and full." She says, abhi aur karna hai. Obviously, she was flying actually, to be very honest, and literally she was flying, she was dancing, she was the way she was walking, and you could see it was, somebody with that medal around her neck, those flowers around her, in her hands. And I asked her, do you know the significance of these flowers when you get these flowers at the Olympics, especially these particular Olympics? I asked her, where did you get these flowers from? Do you know? So, she is just like any other girl. She wants to learn, she wants to know a lot of things, but unfortunately she doesn't get that chance. She doesn't get a chance to speak to her friends, doesn't get chance to meet her friends, doesn't get chance to even attend her sister's wedding. So,
but it's that hard work, it's that sacrifice and that spirit, as you described, Rahul, that's really made her reach the heights that she has right now and brought so much glory and pride for all of us here in India. I just want to play out that conversation again, Rahul, because it really puts a smile on your face, the attitude of Mirabai and the fact that she looks so elated and happy.
And टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स की भारत की पहली विजेता यानी पहली मेडलिस्ट मीराबाई चानू, और उनके हाथ में ये सिल्वर मेडल है ओलंपिक का। मीरा, 4 साल का स्ट्रगल, सब कुछ मेहनत, ये आज फाइनली
फाइनली हो गया है। सिल्वर मेडल मिल गया। 4 साल नहीं, 5 साल की है, 5 साल पूरा हो गया है हमने मेहनत करते हुआ इसी के लिए। मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं बता नहीं सकती बहुत खुश हूँ। मेरा जो भी सपोर्ट है, मेरा कोच, फैमिली और वेट लिफ्टिंग का जो भी ये सपोर्ट है मुझे, तो मैं थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ।
अच्छा, मैं आप लोगों को एक छोटी सी चीज़ और दिखा दूँ कि मीराबाई की अगर आप इयररिंग्स देखें, मेरा थोड़ा सा आप अगर दिखाएं जी, ये इसमें आप देखिए 5 ओलंपिक की रिंग्स हैं। और मीरा, ये कब ये गोल था आपका, टारगेट था कि मुझे?
हाँ, मुझे मैंने रियो ओलंपिक में जो फेल हुआ था तो वो बहुत दुखी हो रहे थे, तो फिर उसी की बाद मैंने कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्स में मेडल लिया था। तब मैं सोचा था, मन में आया था मुझे एक ओलंपिक का रिंग बना के मेरा साथ रखूँगी। तो ऐसा ही मैंने ड्रीम किया था, मैं मेडल ओलंपिक का मेडल लूँगी ऐसा करके। पर मैंने ये बना के हाथ में मेरे साथ ही रखा था। तो
मेरा आपने बड़े सारे सैक्रिफाइसेस भी करे हैं, बहन की शादी छोड़ दी, फोन छोड़ दिया, खाना पीना डाइट के साथ, अब सारे पूरे हो गए?
पूरा हो गया। मैंने जो भी सब कुछ मैंने सेक्रीफाइस किया था, तो इसी की फल है आज मैंने सिल्वर मेडल लिया टोक्यो ओलंपिक में। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच।
आपका सुना है आप नेहा कक्कड़ की बड़ी फैन है, उनके गाने बहुत सुनती हैं, गाना आपको बहुत पसंद है, नाचना बहुत पसंद है, सब होगा?
हाँ जी होगा बिल्कुल। मुझे गाना
सुना दीजिए फिर।
मैं गाना तो मैं नहीं आती, मैं पर सुनती हूँ। और मुझे नेहा कक्कड़ का गाना बहुत पसंद है।
ये जर्नी के बारे में अगर आप बताएं, आज क्या चल रहा था आपका? आज कैसे आप देख रही थी पूरा दिन? सुबह से जब उठी
सुबह से हाँ मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं जो भी मैंने मेहनत किया है, ट्रेनिंग में जो भी किया है मैं करूँगी, ऐसा ही सेम मैं स्टेज में जाके मैं करूँगी। वही सोच के ही मैं कल रात से मैं ऐसे ही
सुबह जब आप उठी, आज मेडल दिख रहा था आपको जब आँख खुली थी?
हाँ, मैं पूरा सपना ले रही थी कि मैं मेडल लूँगी, गोल्ड लूँगी। तो गोल्ड लेने के बाद पोडियम में सेंटर में खड़े रहे तो कैसा फील होगा, वैसे बहुत खुश हो रहे थे मैं मन में। तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था सुबह से मुझे फील।
तो पेट में भी आप थोड़ा सुना आपके थोड़ा पेन था कुछ?
हाँ, मैं प्रॉब्लम है अभी ठीक है, मेडल ले लिया।
चलिए, वेरी गुड। देखिए, मीराबाई चानू सिल्वर मेडलिस्ट, और सिल्वर मेडल उनके हाथ में है। ये मेहनत उनकी फाइनली रंग लाई। और मुझे फिलहाल इजाज़त दीजिए। टोक्यो से राहुल रावत।
So that's the exclusive conversation with Mirabai Chanu. India today managed to catch up with her just moments after she bagged that silver medal, after she was up on that podium taking the medal. And also Rahul Rawat telling us about how she celebrated. Mirabai Chanu was seen dancing and singing her heart out to Punjabi music soon after she bagged that medal. India, of course, in complete awe of Mirabai Chanu. The 26-year-old has entered history books with her silver medal win at the Tokyo Olympics. The country is leaving no stone unturned to heap praise on Chanu for her incredible achievement and bringing so much glory to India.
History has been made. Exorcising the ghosts of Rio 2016, Mirabai Chanu rose to the occasion in Tokyo. And the world bowed down to Mirabai Chanu, India's latest Olympic medal winner. Prime Minister Narendra Modi was quick to put out a congratulatory message celebrating Chanu's silver medal win, calling it a stupendous performance. Even Sports Minister Anurag Thakur sent his wishes to Chanu for her incredible achievement.
Let me first congratulate Mirabai Chanu. A big thank you for bringing a big smile on the faces of 135 crore Indians. First day, first medal, a silver medal. You made the country proud. We are so grateful to you, and you inspire the entire India, our Indian contingent in Tokyo Olympics.
Karnam Malleshwari, who before Chanu had won the last weightlifting medal for India back in 2000 Sydney Olympics, was ecstatic as well.
बिल्कुल गर्व की बात है जी, बहुत खुशी की बात है। 21 साल बाद दोबारा हमारा जो वेटलिफ्टिंग फैमिली में खुशी आई है, एंड इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत भी हमें। इसके साथ ही जो हमारे जूनियर वेटलिफ्टर्स हैं उनको बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोत्साहन और मोटिवेशन मिलेगा।
Glued to the television and seeing their kin bring glory to the nation, Mirabai Chanu's family was far too excited. And why shouldn't they be? After all, there's no dream bigger than winning an Olympic medal for a sports person. And their daughter has just done that.
क्या बोलेगा भाई, एकदम बहुत खुश है। अच्छी तरह से तो सिल्वर गोल्ड लेने का हम उम्मीद था बहुत, तो लेकिन फिर भी हो नहीं पाया। कोई बात, सिल्वर मेडल से इंडिया और मणिपुर के लिए इतना नाम कमाया तो बहुत खुश हूँ।
Politicians, film stars, sports persons all heap praises on India's star weightlifter. Indian football team captain Sunil Chhetri put out a touching word, highlighting how Chanu's medal has lifted the spirits of the entire nation amid the gloom spread by the pandemic. Cricketer Ravichandran Ashwin highlighted how it takes years and years of hard work for an Olympian to reach the podium. A relentless struggle that holds true in Mirabai Chanu's case. Even her coach Vijay Sharma spoke about the sacrifices she has had to make to get here.
जब ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे तो हम इसी हिसाब से ट्रेनिंग कर रहे थे कि हम गोल्ड के लिए फाइट करेंगे, लेकिन कुछ परिस्थितियां ऐसी बनी कि हमें सिल्वर पे संतुष्ट रहना पड़ा और ये पार्ट ऑफ द गेम है, ये होता है। उसका डिसिप्लिन होना एक इतना बड़ा प्लस पॉइंट है कि उस सारी चीज़ें।
Chanu's moment in history is finally here. Winning the silver after the Rio debacle gives us the perfect reminder that nothing comes easy, but nothing is impossible too. Bureau Report, India Today.